In this video, I just quickly wanted to show you the price differences here on the ZippyCourses plugin. If you actually look at the sales page, you're only going to see that there's the standard package, so some people may be a little confused, but if you head up to this pricing tab way at the top on the right, you can see that there's actually a standard package and a deluxe package. So if you get standard, you're basically going to get 1 year of support through the ZippyCourses team. You're going to get their standard theme. You can build out unlimited sites, and then you've basically got one license for one site. So you're not going to be able to move this to other domains or anything like that. And you're also going to have, with the deluxe package, you pay $100 more, and you're basically going to get a few bonuses that Derek has put together about really promoting your course, and also a premium theme as well as a built-in landing page template, which I'll be covering a little bit later in the course. Beyond that, I mean, here, if you look at this pricing page, you'll see that they kind of just show some of the reasons why it's a great platform. But again, you kind of have the option between the standard or the deluxe. If you look there, I'll leave a link. You can go check out this pricing page, and this, you basically take the choice. One of the biggest benefits of going with ZippyCourses, which I'll cover a little bit more in the next video, is that basically you've got really a one-time payment. You're not going to be paying like transactional fees on some of this stuff. All right, thanks.